Good morning, students. Today we will study a poem that is poem 6 No Men Are Forn, and it is written by James Kirkup. James Kirkup is a well known poet, essayist, and novelist. After that, we will start reading the poem. First stanza is remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign, beneath all uniforms, a single body breasts, like ours, the land our brothers walk upon, is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. In the first stanza, the poet tells us that the people all over the world are same. Okay, they may wear different type of dresses. Different uniforms means different dresses. Live in different countries and look somewhat different, but we all are same. They all are our brothers, and we use same earth, the earth that is same everywhere, and we shall go back to the same earth someday. Now we will discuss the next stanza. They too, aware of sun and air and water, and fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved, their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. In the next stanza, the poet tells us that we all use the sun, fresh air, and clean water, and this air, water, and sun are same in everywhere, and their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. In these lines, the poet tells us that they have also hands, and in their hands there are also lines, and they all are equal. We all are equal. They all are same. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is a common life that all can recognize and understand. In this stanza, the poet tells us that they all have eyes like ours. Means they also have eyes that wake or sleep. And the next thing, strength can be won by love, and land is common in everywhere. So we should be all equal, and we should be recognized and understand each and everyone. In the next stanza, let's remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it's ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember who take arms against each other. In this stanza, the poet tells us that let's remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, means whenever we say something bad to our our countrymen or to the people, that we hate ourselves. It is ourselves that we hate, and we shall show off, betray to each and everyone. That's not good. It is last stanza, it is too much important, and in the last stanza's lines are, is it is the human earth that we defile means polluted, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign, no country is strange. The poet tells us that when we take arms against each other, then we shall defile, we shall polluted our human earth, and our human earth is too much important, and this is not good. We polluted our air when we take up arms against each other. So the last line gives us a symbolical message. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. The poem gives us the message that we all are human beings, and we all are same. We all are equal. Okay, so we should be lived peacefully in society, and we should not be fight with each other. This is the poem and I hope you all will understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.